reflection from my window. I can see the sunset fade away again. As I step outside, I like to feel the winds blow. Thoughts of home come rushing back again. It's little daylight the way they used to be for me. It's the memory that keeps me holding on to the good old days when life was like a fantasy. Times where everyone belonged. Now I'm dreaming of the island of my home far away, where the pieces of my broken heart remain. How I long to walk the beaches, how I miss the island way. Take me back to Kosrae. Take me back to Kosrae. As I'm sitting here, I'm thinking of the sleeping lady, where the rivers of woodwork flow down to the sea, and the moon that shines on Melon reminds me of where I wanna be, with an island girl sitting by a tropical breeze. The beaches aren't the same like in heaven's side, and the nights they're not as pure as in weather. As I'm sitting here, I wish someone would take me back to my shrine, place where I belong. 'Cause I'm dreaming of the island of my home far away, where the pieces of my broken heart remain. How I long to walk the beaches, how I miss the island way. Take me back to Kosrae. Take me back to Kosrae. As I'm sitting here, I'm thinking of the sleeping lady, where the rivers of woodwork flow down to the sea, and the moon that shines on Melon reminds me of where I wanna be, with an island girl sitting by a tropical breeze. Beaches aren't the same like in heaven's side, and the nights they're not as pure as in weather. As I'm sitting here, I wish someone would take me back to my Kosrae, the place where I belong. 'Cause I'm dreaming